Today is the 15th of January 2018. I'm at the CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart, Germany. This is the stand of Pilote, and this is a Pilote P716P Essentiel. It's got 5 seated places. It's got a smallish garage there, which will tell us that we've got a side bed in there. And let's have a look all the way around before going in. So, price from, well, it says a special price, 60 or just over 62,000, or beginning price you've got 67,744, depending on what you actually take. I mean, the price is really a very, very rough guide in all cases. And if we look at something like this, these are some of the extra things you can take, such as airbags, cruise control, LED daylight and fog, daylight running lights and fog lights, and ESP, traction control, and hill and descent hold on the brake. You can have a solar panel, you can have insulated water tank, Truma dual shot hotel, you can have a radio, you can have all sorts of stuff inside. Right, coming in. Right, so it says it's a family vehicle. Well, let's have a look. Starting off the back, you certainly get 2 people in there. And as we saw from the outside, that you've got a small garage, not a very big one. But when you've got the bed on this side, you always get the toilet in here. And there it is. And beyond that, there is the shower. Now, the good thing about having the toilet first is that when you go in the shower, you're not bringing all the water out with you. So, that's a good sign. That's a good thing. And I think there's quite a lot of room in this toilet, actually, given the size of the vehicle itself. Now, as you can hear, this is after the trade fair has closed, and people are enjoying themselves. They're having parties and all sorts, so that's the noise in the background. Right, so here we've got some hanging space. Got plenty of hanging space. You can hang your bag in there if you want. Got some drawers beneath that. Oops. And now, coming into the kitchen, we've got a light under here, which certainly helps as you come in and out of the vehicle. We've got plenty of prep space up here, which I think is excellent. Up there you've got a bit of space for your washing up. You can put a board down there. Of course, you can charge your telephones there also if you want to, because you've got a 12-volt plug as well as USB plugs. I'm unable to say how good the USB plugs are. Let's have a look. Does it say anything? Well, the below one says 2.1 amps and the one above says 5 volts 1 amp. So that'll take a bit of a time to actually charge your phone with. But anyway, many of those in cars even aren't even sufficient to keep the thing running when your navigation's on the go. Anyway, I just mentioned that. It's not quite relevant to what I'm doing now. So, 3 large rings. You got a bit of storage up there for your herbs and spices. We've got a sink here, which is quite deep, a Dometic sink. And I like a big drawer like this down here. Look at that, you get quite a lot in there, but it doesn't go much further back because something's going to be there from the outside. Knives and forks, and you've got your gas there as well. Right, you've got a huge amount of space around this table. So it does call itself a family module, and that's what it is. Got the bed up there, space for the ladder, which I presume is under the bed at the back. Storage here, keep some bottles in there, and some other stuff in there. Come down the front here. Now, when I'm in the cockpit, and you know, there's plenty of space here. I'm standing upright. Don't have to worry about hitting my head on anything. I quite like that. But let's see, you see there, you've got the beds there. There's a step down here. Now, I'm not so keen on steps, but I'd rather have the step and not hit my head on the bed as I came in here. So, look round the vehicle from here, from my favourite seat. And okay, it says it's a family vehicle, 5 sitting places when the car is on the move. Okay, maybe that was not absolutely necessary, but it is quite a lot. I think this actually for a couple it would be quite good. I think because of the lack of storage, it's more, it certainly is a leisure vehicle more than a sort of a heavy use vehicle. And one of the things we have to think about actually with all motorhomes is that there's a difference. If you're using things like furniture all the time, that is heavier use than if you're going out for a month's touring once a year. And this is something which always has to be borne in mind. I'll point out the lighting, because that is particularly good. I've got to say though, in the last couple of years, the lighting in all vehicles has really got quite imaginative, very impressive. Now I'd show you all the way around the outside, but I can't, and the reason I can't do that is because there's other vehicles in here. So we'll turn off the electricity in here and come out. If that was interesting, hopefully you'll find more information on my site, motorhomefulltime.com.